This is Mouseposé, the cursor highlighting application. I will open this file, example 01, and now I can scrub through the timeline and use Mouseposé to highlight the playhead. Now I can right-click and I'll choose Edit Clip in Adobe Audition. Once I get over to Audition, I typically save a WAV file or MP3 file. Once the edits are made, I will right-click and unlink the audio to the video. Then I will click on the audio recorded real-time and hit the delete key, and now I can drag in my replacement audio. Back in Adobe Audition, I will save my replacement audio to be put into my Premiere Pro project. I will name the audio file and then proceed with edits. I see some dead space in the timeline. I will highlight the dead space and hit the delete key to remove it. I'll hit Command S or Control S to save my changes. Then I'll go back to Premiere Pro and drag this edited audio back into my video timeline. And I'll finish by using Mouseposé to highlight, me selecting the File menu and choosing Save.